Cage Bird by Maya Angelou. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sun rays, and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful thrill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade whips soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a down bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a cage bird stands on the grave of dreams, his shadow shouts on, and nightmare screams. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful thrill of things unknown but lodged for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom.